Happy holidays and Giving Tuesday greetings. Hello, I'm Bryce Milan with Opulent Philanthropy Inc, an international nonprofit. We invite you to join us in bringing hope to families in the Alaska community who are still struggling after devastating floods. Alaska Disaster Relief Fund. We have provided shelter and over 250,000 meals during these disasters. Every contribution, big or small, will bring much-needed assistance to families. Here's how your donation can help. $25 can provide much-needed water. $100 can provide a care package with essential supplies. $250 can help ensure a family displaced by the flood has access to food and shelter. $1,000 can help ensure a family displaced by the flood has long-term access to food and shelter. Typhoon Halong brought devastating floodwaters to Alaska, leading to one confirmed death and the rescue of dozens of people. The severe flooding resulted in homes being inundated, with some structures reported as entirely swept away by authorities. Over 1,000 residents have sought shelter in schools and community centers. Your gift today is more than a donation, it's a lifeline, a message of hope, and a promise that the children are not forgotten. Visit www.opulentusa.org/Alaska and give the gift of hope. Happy holidays!